Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking at this cockatiel. So when I went in the cover, she was breathing really fast and I wanted to capture it on video, but I pulled the cover and I looked in and she just stopped and I looked at me like, what is your problem? So it's not showing here. So anyway guys, remember to like our video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell.